The FTSE 100 climbs as whispers of US-Japan trade talks ignite investor optimism, offering a glimmer of hope amidst the escalating global trade war. Overnight, Asian markets experienced a modest resurgence, fueled by the positive news. Japan's Nikkei index soared by a remarkable 5.6%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng index rebounded by 1.6%, recovering somewhat from Monday's dramatic plunge, its steepest fall since the 1997 Asian financial crisis. This recovery, however, doesn't entirely alleviate the pervasive uncertainty gripping Asian markets. The Chinese government's resolute stance, a vow to fight to the end if the U.S. continues its aggressive trade tactics, underscores the gravity of the situation. President Trump's threat of additional 50% tariffs should China fail to retract its own 34% retaliatory tariffs casts a long shadow over the global economic landscape. The potential for further escalation remains a significant concern, leaving investors on edge and nervously anticipating the next move in this high-stakes game of economic brinkmanship. The uncertainty is palpable. The stakes are undeniably high. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the European Union's proactive approach offers a contrasting perspective. Weeks before President Trump initiated his trade war, the European Commission extended an olive branch, proposing a zero-for-zero tariff agreement encompassing cars and industrial goods. This bold offer, aimed at de-escalating tensions and fostering mutually beneficial trade relations, highlights the EU's commitment to diplomatic solutions. EU Trade Commissioner Maroš Šefčovič affirmed the EU's willingness to engage in constructive dialogue, emphasizing, however, that this willingness is not limitless. Patience, like the EU's commitment to a fair trade system, is not inexhaustible. The EU's position underscores the importance of a negotiated settlement and the potential for a constructive approach in contrast to the escalating rhetoric between the US and China. The news of potential US-Japan negotiations provides a temporary respite from the escalating tensions, but the underlying uncertainty remains. The market's reaction underscores the interconnectedness of the global economy and the significant impact of trade policy decisions. While the FTSE 100's rise offers a momentary sense of relief, the long-term implications of the US-China trade war and the broader global trade environment continue to pose substantial risks. The ongoing battle for economic dominance highlights the fragility of global trade and underscores the urgent need for diplomatic solutions. Investors worldwide are watching closely, bracing for the next chapter in this unfolding economic drama, hoping for a resolution that promotes global stability and prosperity. The road ahead remains uncertain, and the potential for further volatility is undeniable. Stay informed and stay vigilant. The global economic landscape is shifting rapidly, demanding constant analysis and adaptability. The future of global trade hangs in the balance, and the coming weeks and months will be crucial in shaping the course of the global economy. The potential for both collaboration and conflict remains, making this a pivotal moment in the history of international trade relations. The world watches and waits, hoping for a resolution that will benefit all parties involved. Understanding the complexities of the situation is crucial for investors and policymakers alike.